Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Simple Injector. We'll cover the fundamental steps to integrate this powerful dependency injection container into your projects. Understanding its core principles will significantly enhance your application's architecture, making your code more modular and easier to test. This guide aims to provide a clear, straightforward path to leveraging Simple Injector's capabilities for robust software development. The first crucial step is registering your services and their corresponding implementations with the Simple Injector container. You'll typically use the register method, specifying both the service type and its concrete implementation. Simple Injector offers several lifestyle options, such as transient for new instances per request, singleton for a single instance throughout the application's lifetime, and scoped for a single instance within a defined scope. Choosing the correct lifestyle is vital for performance and correctness. Once services are registered, you can resolve them from the container. Simple Injector excels at automatically injecting dependencies into your constructors, ensuring that all required components are provided when an object is created. It's best practice to let the framework handle resolution at the application's composition root, rather than calling getInstance directly throughout your code. This approach maintains a clean separation of concerns and promotes a more maintainable codebase. To maximize the benefits of Simple Injector, always configure your container at the application's composition root, typically at startup. It's also highly recommended to verify your container configuration early on. Simple Injector provides excellent diagnostic capabilities to catch common misconfigurations. Furthermore, consistently prefer constructor injection over property injection, as it makes dependencies explicit and ensures that objects are always in a valid state upon creation. These practices lead to more robust and understandable applications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.